Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this lovely 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car's got a full service history with Howard's and is free to tax. Comes with Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You also get rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior with the red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got a 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's done just under 11,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.